In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get Vivid Seats promo code. So let's get started. So Vivid Seats is an online website where you can buy tickets for different concerts and etc. Concerts, matches, and whatever you want to buy, you can get tickets from this website. So now let's say you're looking for a discount. Well, yes, obviously you can get a discount by using promo codes. So you're gonna search on Google Vivid Seats promo code, and then you're gonna click on this first website, Los Angeles Times. So I'm gonna click on it. Alright, then that's the logo. As you guys can see, Vivid Seats promo code for August 2023, and as you guys can see, it is August, so this is surely gonna work. So the first one says extra $20 off ticket order with Vivid Seats promo code. So I'm gonna click view coupon code, and that's the coupon code, January 2023. And if you use this at checkout, you're gonna get a 20% off your ticket. Similarly, you can always go down. So let's say $20, let's say this one, 10% off with Vivid Seats coupon. So 10% off, so we coupon, and 20% off, that's the code if you want to get a 10% off. So now similarly, if these do not work, you can always go to some other website. So I'm going to close it and go to this website, CNET coupon. Alright, so here I'm going to scroll down and see one code. So this one, grab, okay, this one, 10% off select baseball tickets with Vivid Seats promo code. So I'm gonna click on it, and that's the promo code to get that discount, baseball 10. So that's how promo codes work for Vivid Seats, and you can save a lot of money. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.